In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Oriental Financial Group online banking. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in orientalfgb.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Oriental Financial Group. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for login to online banking. Click on it. Now, after you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You'll be able to find two options over here, Internet ID, email access. If you want to log in via the email, you can click on this option, email access. After you do that, you'll have to enter your email address and password in order to sign in. If you want to log in via Internet ID, click on this option, Internet ID. Now you'll be able to log in via Internet Banking ID. Simply click on the field of Internet Banking ID. Now what you have to do is enter your Internet Banking ID over here. After you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. After you do that, enter the password over here. Now after you provide your credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Oriental Financial Group online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.